What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is about Google Stadia. And if you don't know what Google Stadia is, it is Google's streaming gaming service. So you can stream up to 4K 60. Think of it like Netflix, but for gaming. And you do need a little bit of hardware. You need a gaming controller, you need a Chromecast a lot of the time. You can do it from your phone now and stuff. But if you have YouTube Premium, if you're a subscriber to YouTube Premium, you actually get the gaming controller, the Chromecast 4K, and I think 3 months of service. I have to double check on that. For free, absolutely free. I'm gonna put the link down below, and all you do is click on that link and follow the steps. So when you click on the link, this is exactly what you're gonna see. It's gonna say Get Stadia Premier Edition for free, and it's $100 value, and you end up getting, like you see over there to the right, you get that Google Chromecast 4K version and their gaming controller so that you can play video games. Again, I'm not sure how many months or a month, how much of the gaming service itself you get, but you can definitely click on the link and get the free hardware. And then next you're going to see offer says claim, check your email for redemption instructions. You're going to get an email immediately. It says you're almost finished redeeming your Stadia Premier, and it says you're going to get an email in about an hour. And then once you get the email, which it didn't take an hour, it probably got in about 30 minutes. This is the email you'll get. It has a code in there. As long as you just click the redeem Stadia Premier Edition now at the bottom there, it'll actually copy over your code, I should say, and give everything for free for you. This is a limited time offer, so if you're gonna do this like right now. Don't wait. Do everything right now, because once the supplies are completely gone, you won't be able to get it anymore. Speaking of deals, Samsung's Black Friday deals are going on right this moment, and you can get deals on their watches, their earbuds, tablets. And speaking of tablets, I actually took advantage of one of their deals. Basically, they have their Galaxy Tab S6 for half off. Plus, I traded in my son's old tablet. We ended up getting him the Galaxy Tab S6 for literally like 200 bucks. And that's basically out the door almost at that point. So very good deals going on, especially if you're willing to trade something in. Check out the link down below for Samsung's Black Friday deals. And the last story of the day, Galaxy S21 Ultra. More confirmation into some of the specs for this phone. So let's dive in. And the tweet comes from Ice Universe, who says S21 Ultra, WQHD plus LTPO 120 Hertz display. We've said this before. Again, it's just reconfirmation. He's got a good track record. So 2K plus 120 hertz display. It's going to be able to do 2K plus again at 120 hertz. It'll support up to 45 watt charging, which is faster than the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which only supports 25 watt. 45 watt was also on the S20 Ultra. The main camera sensor, 108 megapixel HM3 this sensor, which supposedly brings in more light, so you should have better photos with dark images and things like that. And it's almost equal in width bezel, probably most likely to the Galaxy S20 Ultra. So even though the S21 Ultra is not this like revolutionary different looking phone, at least it's upping its ante in some departments, such as the display. It's keeping that extreme fast charging. The camera will be slightly better, or it should be anyway. So again, we're getting these slight upgrades, and hopefully they'll give some really good trade-in values as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. Question out to you guys is, are these specs enough to even entice you into upgrading to this phone? Or are you like, no, I'll wait for, the Z Fold 3 or the Z Flip 3 or some other phone? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.